안녕하세요. 한국에서 네일 받고 왔는데요. 한지 한 3주 정도 됐고, 사실 얘네 둘은 다른 글리터였는데 때가 타는 바람에 제가 바꿨어요. 이제 조금 새로운 네일을 할 때가 된 것 같아서 오늘 보여드릴게요. Even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? One step is 2 steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? Now I can only see you in my mind. You'll be gone in the morning. Goodbye. But my one final wish is tonight. Just for tonight. 여기 손톱 전체적으로 소코프 한 3분 정도 한 다음에 베이스 젤 밑으로 베이스 젤까지 다 갈아줬고요. 손톱 엄청 길었죠? 그래서 얘네들 조금 쉐입 잡아줄게요. What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours?
We both know this is wrong, so why do we carry this on in the end? We probably won't stay friends. We both try to keep our distance, but feelings will never listen. No. Oh, what do I fool myself? This could be something else. Got them feelings too. Oh, why do we play these games? Why can't you feel my pain? You know I feel for you. I know you got them feelings too. Oh, and I know it's not just me. Takes two to for level 3. Oh, 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 yeah. Let this be. I care for you too much for this casual thing to be enough. Should probably let this go. But tried 3 times with nothing to show. So why, oh why am I so vexed? It's probably cause we have grace. Oh, 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 what do I fool myself? This could be something else. Them feelings too. Oh, why do we play these games? Why can't you feel my pain? You know I feel for you. I know you got them feelings too. Oh, and I know it's not just me. Takes 2 to for level 3. Oh, 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 yeah. Let this be. This feels for you like it does for me, then maybe you should let this be. You know I feel for you. You know I got them feelings too. Oh, why do we play these games? Why can't you feel my pain? You know I feel for you. I know you got them feelings too. Oh, and I know it's not just me. Takes 2 to for level 3.
또 엄청 기르셨던데요?
미쳤죠? 장난 아니야. 깜짝 놀랐어요. 궁금하니까.
저 11월에 한국에서 결혼해요.
미쳤어.
아니 근데 불편하지 않으세요? 너무 길면?
괜찮아. 집에서 별로 하는 게 없구나. 일도 그냥 그렇게 그냥 키보드만 치니까.
저도 그래서 이건 유지할 수 있어요.
우리가 이제 학생도 아니고
맞아,
펜
맞아.
쓰지도 않는데.
맞아.
With what you said, I tend to second guess myself. Like, too much? Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you'll feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always.
오늘 우리가 해야 될 디자인이고요. 요거 나비 아니고 그 눈꽃으로 하실 거고.
나 이거 테두리스톤에 너무 꽂혀가지고.
예쁘죠? 맞아, 예뻐요.
너무 예쁜 거 같아.
저 그러면 그 이 오더를 우선 여기는 요 그대로 갈까요?
네.
그대로 갈게요.
Like too much. Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Oh, if I could have you, I
nothing we can't do. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love. I don't know if this is love. I don't know if this is love. But hey, why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children.
진짜 이렇게 하나 올려볼래?
엄청 반짝이.
저는 뭐 수아니까.
다 정성이다.
정성 들여야죠. 그래야 예쁘니까. 이런 느낌이에요. 좋아요. 아니면 얘를 코로해서 이거 포인트하게 할까요? 포인트하게? 여기를 이렇게 난 거. 그쵸? 요 둘 중에 뭐가 나요? 얘랑 뭔가 얘랑 조금 비슷하긴 하거든요?
그게 더 매치가 잘 되는 거.
그럼 얘를 할게요.
We never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Now we live so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another.
예쁜데요? 예쁘잖아.
블링블링.
진짜.
영롱해.
이제 지은님이 좋아하시는 테두리를 이제 또 더 예쁘게.
아니 갑자기 왜 이렇게 꽂혔는지 모르겠어.
그러니까 왜 이렇게 꽂히신 거예요?
Yeah. Your fists are rabbit and your body was frozen. Think I could hear your heart beating out your chest, and your sweat and your palms just won't rest for a second. You'll regret it almost more than saying goodbye.
어떤 일이야?
스웨터네일.
스웨터. 겨울. 그럼 일찍 오셔야겠는데? 3월에 오셔야겠는데? 자리 원하시면
맞아.
빼둘게요.
바로. 하자마자 하는 도중에 뭘 할지.
진짜. 여기다가 이제 얘는 조금 거슬리실 수 있어요, 일하시면서.
별로 하는 게 없어서.
그쵸. 그래서 제가
그런 거 많이 하는 사람한테 얘기해줘야 되는데 나 별로 안 해.
그래도 미리 말씀 드리는 게 나을 것 같아서 드리긴 하는데 I figure.
But it's too late 'cause you said it.